Hi, in this video we're going to show you the Moving Elements feature of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So this will allow you to take a certain part of your picture and make it animated. So I'm going to show you how it works. So this is a good example here because it's something that would normally be animated, a little waterfall. So what you want to do is open your picture and go to Enhance, choose Moving Elements. All right, so now you need to select your moving area. So you could just pick the sky or the background if you want to do it for you, but you're probably going to pick manual most likely. All right, so now you could decide how you're going to make your selection here. So I'm just going to simply draw where I want the animated part to be. You could also change the size here if you want to speed things up. I'll show you how we could fine tune it here once I'm done just getting the main area selected. Okay, so now if I want to subtract something, I could do that and then change my size. So I want to maybe get this stick out of the way so it's not animated. Like so, and kind of clean up the rock here, for example. Maybe this one too. Same with here. So maybe get this one out of the animation as well. Okay, then if I want to add this one back here so I get a little more of the water. So as you can see, you could do quite a bit of fine tuning if you really want to. Okay, so once you have your stuff selected there, you want to click on the arrow right here, and then you could pick your direction. So I'm going to have it go down this way like so. And then you click on the play button, get a preview. So you can see we have the water animating like that. Then you can change the speed too. Let's bump it up quite a bit. Obviously that doesn't look as good, so let's take this back down. Okay, so if it looks good, we just click on Export. Okay, so I'm going to put it in this Images folder. I'll call this Waterfall. All right, so now we have our movie file here. And you can see there it is. You'd have to repeat it if you really wanted to use it for something, but it'd be a good post for social media or some other app where it would actually just repeat itself over and over again. Okay, so let's go over to something that's not as straightforward. Okay, let's take this one here. All right, this one we're going to do a little differently here, so let's still do the manual. So if we did the sky or the background, you can see it kind of chooses it for us. Let's see what happens if we just go with its selection here. All right, you can see that, and you could even add additional arrows if you want to have something going that way too. Like that. And then of course you could save it as a movie file just like the other ones. All right, so once again, just open your picture, go to Enhance, Moving Elements, select your area or have it choose the background or the sky for you. Then you could refine your search by adding and subtracting where you want the motion to be. Then you could pick your direction. You could even pick multiple directions, pick your speed, and then check the preview. And then if everything looks good, just go ahead and save it as a movie file. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.